Hi, I'm Phoenix. I'm 9. You're in for an Easter treat today. We're going to be making a cookie cake with pink buttercream from SweetestMenu.com. For the cookie cake, you'll need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 1/2 cups of plain flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of unsalted butter, 150 grams of chocolate, mini Easter eggs, 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips, and 1 large egg. Beat in. For the buttercream, you'll need 2 cups of icing sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 of a cup of unsalted butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and any food dye you want. I'm using red. You'll need a big mixing bowl, an 8 to 9 inch baking pan, greased with paper, a sifter, a pastry brush, a spatula, a piping bag with a nozzle. If you don't have that, you can just spread the buttercream onto the cookie cake, a electric mixer. If you don't have that, you can use a whisk or a fork. Before you start, wash your hands thoroughly and turn your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First, we're going to beat the butter and the sugar until it's nice and creamy. Well, that looks about done. Now we're going to add the vanilla extract. This would be a great treat, just to sit there and relax. And add the eggs a little at a time. And just beat it lightly. After that's done, we're going to add the baking soda to the flour and the flour to the sifter. We're going to sift a little in at a time like this. And then we're going to stir it again and fold it in lightly. And then we're going to do this until it's all combined. Just mix that all in. Now we're going to add the chocolate chips and the Easter eggs that I've already taken the wrapper off. And you can use whichever eggs you want. I've chosen plain and caramel. And so at this point, you might want to use your hands just to mix it all in. Now that that's all done, we're going to put it in the pan. I've pre-prepared one. If you don't know how to prepare a pan, just go to my cinnamon apple cake video or my carrot cake video. Now we're going to put it in. Now we're going to push it to the sides, just like this, so that it's nice and even. Then we're going to put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're going to make the buttercream. We're going to put the half a teaspoon of vanilla extract in. The 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk in. And our butter, a little bit at a time, and then and stir it in between like this until you get the consistency that you want. Now that that's all beaten and combined, we're gonna add a bit of food dye. If you don't want to add any, you don't have to. Just put a little bit in. Then stir it in until it gets to the color that you want it. Just got the cookie cake out of the oven and I took it out of the spring form pan, and this is what it looks like. So this has been out of the oven for about half an hour now. So I'm gonna add my buttercream. You can add whatever you want to it. I just did some roses with my icing. To achieve this, you'll probably need to double the amount of the icing. To make it more of an Easter treat, we're gonna add some chocolate bunnies and Easter eggs. And that's my finished piece. Now, let's have a taste. That's delicious. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'd also appreciate it if you could share it with friends and family.